I'm sure you guys also can't withstand how dirty the engine bay is. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So every time when we wash our car, only the exterior of the car is clean but not the interior. So the interior that I'm referring to is the door hinges, the frame of the car which is just right behind the door, and also the engine bay. And truthfully speaking, I haven't been washing my engine bay for quite a while. It has been a few months ever since I washed my engine bay. So today I'm going to wash my engine bay, and every time when I pop my hook up, I just can't stand the dirtiness of my engine bay. So today I'm going to give it a wash, and right now let me show you guys how dirty the engine bay is. Alright guys, as you guys can see, there's so much dirt and dust in the engine bay, especially the top of the coilovers, the plastic parts of the engine bay, airbox, battery, hoses of the radiator. And this is the reason why today I'm going to wash my engine bay. So I have the car wash shampoo. This is actually a regular car wash shampoo. So this car wash shampoo will be used to dissolve all the dirt and dust in the engine bay. I also have a brush to brush off all the dust and dirt which is hidden in some corners of the engine bay. And what is actually inside this sprayer is actually water. So I'll be spraying water to rinse off all the dust and dirt and also shampoo in the engine bay. And I don't think it's good to wash your engine bay while the engine is hot. So right now I'll be leaving the engine to cool down a bit more before I start washing. Okay, I believe the temperature of the engine has gone down a lot already, and I can start washing my engine bay. And as you guys can see, the copper wire in the alternator are being exposed. So I don't think it's right to spray water directly into the alternator and also the beltings. So I'll be using the transparent film to cover up the alternator to prevent water from entering. And right now, let's get started. Alright guys, so my engine bay is clean now and it looks really shiny, especially the engine cover, the airbox and other plastic parts in the engine bay. And I wouldn't say it's 100% clean as I'm not the detailing professional, and it's quite a tedious work to be done as there are a lot of hidden parts and areas to scrub and wash. So I hope you guys will do the same thing on your car to keep your engine bay clean, and right now I'm really happy. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, drive safe, and bye!